Hey, Happy New Year, everyone.
Welcome to the Curiosity Cave. We have this flag that we found when we cleaned out the garage, which is still in process, mind you. I didn't want it just sitting in a box, so I said, let's display it somehow. Well, as you know, this is an authentic flag, so it is large.
Yeah, like really large. It turned out to be almost 6 foot by 4 foot. What we did is we took a naturally distressed fence board, and it's probably 40 plus years old, and made a frame, tacked it in. But here's the question, where do we put it?
Maybe we could put it in the garage. With Mark cleaning out the garage and using every wall, everything already has a spot. With this being so big, I started looking around the house. Where are we going to put this thing? Because, you know, it deserves a place of honor.
So we're going to move into our mud room. We're going to have a before and after. Put this flag up in all its glory.
You bet. You know, let's be good this 2021 and let's clean it up, right?
Let's move
make
forward.
It good.
Woo!
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm like, okay, we're gonna get rid of this stuff. I'm gonna put it in other spots that he has cleared for me in that garage. We're gonna just make this place a place for the flag.
Yep.
Every time we come in and out. Let's see if this can really happen today.
Come on. 2021.
Let's make it happen.
Well, one step at a time, we're making progress. Either this is something to throw away or something to keep that makes things more efficient.
So I'm getting really excited. Progress is coming, which I love. And we cleaned out this area. I'll have to deal with that stuff later. And now Mark is measuring to see where we're gonna put the flag. Progress.
All right, so we need to measure 18 inches down. That's going to be the height of our hanger, but we got to find a stud. So our hangers are secure. So here's a stud finder and this instrument, the dad joke. That marks our stud. So our mark's going to be right here. We're going to do that on the other side. And then we're going to use these to screw into the stud, and our hangers will be secure. We drill the small pilot hole, and then we're going to insert our hangers. Small pilot hole into the stud, and we'll screw this in. All right, we're going to use this locking crescent wrench. Put that on our hanger and screw it in. Round and round she goes, which is about there. There we go. Hey, we're ready to hang our flag. So here we go. Come on, Carmen. All the way.
The moment of truth. Oh, please, Lord.
All right. There we go.
It helps to have a tall husband. We're excited. I'm going to enjoy this so much.
Ta-da!